Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will discuss the remaining points. Okay, so कहाँ थे हम लोग? Yeah. So gynecologist is complaining the efficacy of the two different drugs in treating the UTI, norfloxacin amoxicillin without mentioning the name of the drug. Group A is given norfloxacin, group B is given the amoxicillin. The type of the study most likely is the single blind. ठीक है? Single blind, so only the participants are unaware of which group they are receiving the treatment. The researcher conducting the study, they are knowing about it. This okay. Double blind, in a double blind study, both participant and the researcher conducting the study are unaware of which group participant belong to. This is done to minimize the bias that could influence how the study is conducted or interpreted. Okay, ये आपने bias को minimize करना है. इसमें उसमें ये था ना कि जो रिसर्चर थे उनको तो पता था, लेकिन डबल ब्लाइंड में दोनों को ही नहीं पता होता. ठीक है, इसमें मिनिमाइज करेंगे डेट कुड इन्फ्लुएंस हाउ द स्टडी इज कंडक्टेड. ओके, सो इन द स्टडीज मोस्ट एक्यूरेट इज द सिंगल ब्लाइंड डजंट नो whether the placebo or the drug is given. The true about the clinical trial is a single blind subject doesn't know which is the placebo or the drug. Okay, so drug known to the physician class as a B, A and the B given to the patient randomly is a single blind. What is a random sampling used for selecting a representative sample from population? In a study, population was divided into the subgroup based on the age, and from each subgroup the sample was taken randomly. Such sampling is known as a stratified random sampling. Okay, so in the normal distribution curve, mean, mode, median coincide. Mean is equal to the sum of the value over the total number of the values. Median value of the list of the data when arranged in a ascending order. ठीक है, but they are even number of values. The median will be the average of the median. Okay, so mode is the most common value. If the no number in the list is repeated, there are the no mode for the list. Study in the conducted to on the rates on the antibiotic of the same effect produced by the different pharmaceutical company and the rate of the different exile. This is which measure of the central tendency will be used by the weighted mean. Mean is a sum of all the values divided by the total. Confidence interval represents the mean and its standard error. कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल जो है मीन जो है वो सम हो जाएगा ऑल वेरियंस का. कॉन्फिडेंस इंटरवल जो है मीन और उसके स्टैंडर्ड एरर का. बेसिक मेजर ऑफ द सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी इज द मीडियन. बेसिक मेजर ये होता है. बाई मोडल रिप्रेजेंटेशन मोड इज यूज एज अ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी. Mode is the most repeated value in the data. Mean in the larger sample is represent the normal distribution. मिडल वैल्यू इन द अपर और लोअर लिमिट में जो मिडिल वैल्यू से मीडियन बोलते हैं. मोस्ट रिपीटेड वैल्यू मोड होती है. बेसिक मैयर जो है वो मीडियन होती है. ओके, मिडल वैल्यू भी मीडियन होती है. रिगार्डिंग द मीन इज कैलकुलेटेड बाय टोटलिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ ऑल द ऑब्जर्वेशन डिवाइडेड बाय द टोटल नंबर. अर्ली डायग्नोसिस एंड द ट्रीटमेंट इज अ सेकेंडरी प्रिवेंशन. प्राइमरी प्रिवेंशन क्या होती है कि आपने डिक्रीज द इंसिडेंस ऑफ द डिजीज इन अनअफेक्टेड इंडिविजुअल. ठीक है, सेकेंडरी के अंदर अगर आपने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया, अब उसको अर्ली डायग्नोज तो करो ना एटलीस्ट. टर्शरी प्रिवेंशन ये होता है मैयर दैट डिक्रीज द मॉर्बिडिटी और द मोर्टेलिटी रिजल्टिंग फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द डिजीज. Early diagnosis and the prompt treatment is a secondary prevention. Early diagnosis and the prompt treatment is the secondary. So prevention is the disease process before the occurrence of the disease is the primary. Pap smear is an example of the secondary prevention because it's in use in the early diagnosis. Prevention, the taking the pap smear above the 30 is considered as a prevention. Secondary prevention, vitamin A given to the children of restrictive. This method of prevention is known as a specific protection. Prevention of the iron from the bacteria and the saliva is by the lactoferrin. For the prevention of the tetanus, what would be given is a tetanus toxoid. 59-year-old with a strong family history of the ischemic heart disease, breast cancer, has come to you for the advice regarding the osteoporosis prevention. She is concerning about knowing that her old classmate suffered fracture neck of the femur after the trivial trauma. The treatment of the child is the raloxifene. Okay. इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क मी. इसमें मैंने आपको सारी पब्लिक हेल्थ साइंसेज जो है वो रिवाइज करवा दी है. इट्स इनफ फॉर द FCPS. इसमें से अगर तो आप इसको अच्छे से कर लेते हैं, आई थिंक यू हैव नो नीड टू स्टडी फ्रॉम द BS बुक और द फोरेंसिक.